the interim, we've seen these reports of the government doing clandestine meetings with Anna Hazare. You know, what was brewing there? Why was it that Salman Khurshid wanted to set up this meeting with the Gandhian?
Anna Hazare got a message from Salman Khurshid ji that he wants to meet Anna with the authority of Mrs. Gandhi and the Prime Minister. Anna agreed. Anna was told that it is about Jan Lokpal bill. Anna agreed. Anna thought that there is no harm in having a meeting with anyone if there is some progress on the Jan Lokpal bill and it is in the larger public interest. So Anna met. There Salman Khurshid ji asked Anna that what are your demands? Anna said that all the 3 promises that were made in August last year, that should be incorporated. CBI should be brought directly under Lokpal. Gram Sabha's law should be passed and right to reject law should be passed. He said, I am agreeable. I will take your message back to Mrs. Gandhi and Prime Minister and get back to you. So after a few days he called up and said that Mrs. Gandhi and Prime Minister both have agreed. So Anna thought that if there is already one bill pending in Parliament, what happens to that bill? So he questioned back that are you going to withdraw that bill and bring a fresh bill? And if you are bringing a fresh bill, then when will you do that? They never responded to that. In the meanwhile, they wrote a letter to us, to the team. The letter was addressed to Anna Hazare. The first line of the letter was कि आपने पिछले कुछ दिनों में जो सरकार का सहयोग किया है उसके लिए आपका धन्यवाद. So that means they were trying to plant this in the minds of the team that Anna is in talks with the government, etc., etc. So it was basically a conspiracy. On one hand, they were trying to create a rift between Anna and his team, and on the other hand, they also planted stories, they leaked the story in the media that Anna had a secret meeting with Salman, and the media was agog with all.
Weren't you perplexed by the fact that Anna Hazare did this clandestine meeting with the senior government
minister? We had no problems.
And never told you about it?
We had no problems. We have full faith in him.
Aren't you all one team? Shouldn't you be consulting before going in for meetings with senior government ministers?
It's not necessary. Anna is leading the movement. We have complete faith in him. That is the beauty of this entire team. The government has tried everything in the last 1.5 years to break this team. On the day when this letter came, I spoke to each member of the team and everyone said we have full faith in Anna, we have no problems.
So you think this was an attempt on the part of the government to
malign Anna on one hand in the public's public would think that what is Anna doing with Salman Khurshid, why is he holding secret, and on the other hand to break the team. And on the third, they also wanted Anna to stay away from the 2 movements, 25th July and 9th August. But the government failed completely. It actually boomeranged.
Because now what we are seeing is Anna becoming this prop who's being pulled on both sides, on 3 sides in fact. You know, on the one side, you want to keep him with you, the government's trying to pull Anna Hazare away from you, and then you've got Ramdev, you know, who's essentially trying to get Anna on board with him. So basically Anna is being pulled in 3 different directions.
No, I don't think so. No one is pulling Anna. The government's conspiracy has been exposed to the people of this country. As far as Swami Ramdev ji is concerned, he is fighting for bringing the black money back to India. It is a great public cause. We are all with him. We will participate in his movement. We are doing Lokpal movement. He is with us. He will participate in our movement. And Anna is there at both the places. We are also there at both the places.
But you now seem to be dependent on Baba Ramdev for public support. What happened in Mumbai was a fiasco. You weren't able to draw in crowds. So now, Team Anna at some level feels if they want people to throng their rallies, you need people from Swami Ramdev's organization.
Rahul, you should start sending your cameras to our rallies. Then you would get answer to your question.
We saw what happened in Mumbai.
Mumbai was December. After December, it's been 8 months now. So you should start sending your cameras to all our rallies. Tomorrow, day after, every day we are having a rally. Today we had in Faridabad. So please send your cameras and you would get answer to your questions. In thousands people are coming to these rallies. Why are they coming? They are coming because number 1, they are feeling cheated by the government. Number 2, they are fed up of corruption. And number 3, they are fed up of rising prices. That is why people are coming.
But none of it seems to be registering. There is no chatter like there once was.
That you have to do. The people, the wave is there. The people are already angry. That anger is there. It is your duty to capture that anger.